Huh? Finish him!
It's a technique, baby.
It's time. What up, what up? Welcome back to the channel for another sneaker unboxing with your boy, Tommy Pickles, the one and only. That's me. So, first thing I want to say, I appreciate everybody watching the last video. I felt the love.
Wow!
I really did. I did. You guys are so nice. Thank you. First things first, though. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For all the sneaker unboxings, I'm doing a little bit of everything on this channel, so you don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out. Pretty hyped about today's unbox. I'm not even gonna lie right now. Never owned a pair of these ever until now. So that says a lot for me. Probably will be my only pair I will own, but I want to unbox it with you guys there, so I just got it in. So let's just get right into it. You know, I don't know why I always get up boxes from, I don't understand. Nike, y'all gotta do better. They gotta do better. Always sending me boxes. What's up with that? Ooh. Ooh. Bam. There it is. There it is. Damn. Wow. Wow. Yo, this is fire right now. I don't want to lie. If you guys did not see the title of the video, we have here a pair of Nike Air Max 1s. Let me see. It's like the reflecting is going crazy right now off it. First thing out the box is the color to me. Fire. I'll be honest right now, never in my life I would think I would own a pair of Nike Air Max 1s. They're ugly as to me. I'll be honest with you. When I seen this color online, I'm like, what is this shoe? And it was a Nike Air Max 1. Copped, ordered. The pink with the yellow laces, with the strawberry on the tongue. Let me get that in the camera. Fire. Like, it's fire. And the story behind it is pretty interesting. They were released in about 2006, 2005 with Nike's Powerwall collection edition. It came out with 3 sneakers. You had your strawberry lemonade, which is we have in my hand right now. It came out with like a limeade, which is like a greenish color. And it came out with a lemonade. I actually will put a clip probably somewhere right here so you guys can see what I'm referenced to. Color pops instantly. Like, I know the backlight is like kind of shining crazy, but the color pops instantly. Fire. Like, Nike. Fire. Y'all, you did a great job on these so far. And I'm not an Air Max 1 fan. This will probably be my one and only pair I will own. It comes with 3 laces. I actually pulled the tag off on accident, but it comes with 3 laces. You got your yellow pair that comes on the sneaker. You got like a kind of like a cream off-white color. And then, of course, the pink, you know, which is, you know, maybe too much pink on the shoe, but it's still fire. And actually, when I opened the box and I seen it came with 3 laces, I was like, wow, I'm impressed. Because, you know, normally Nike does that weird thing where they give us maybe 2, which is like, we're like, oh, we get 2 different colors on laces. But when you get 3, that excites me. I love little stuff like that. So the material feels amazing, though. I'm not even going to lie right now. It feels amazing. The sneakers actually has some weight to it right now. It's actually killing me right now from holding this. I'm not going to lie. It's pretty heavy. You get about 3 different pinks on the shoe. So you got your light pink right here, which is on the leather. And then, you know, if you do on the actual toe box, it's like kind of like a different material right here, where it's like a darker pink, which is still fire. And then the part I showed you guys where it's all 3M, this is like, you know, a dark pink mixed with a light pink. The bottom has that white, which is also fire. I kind of wish Nike would have kept the shoe maybe like all pink down here. You know, it kind of kills me when they go the lazy way and like the shoe's perfect, but then they just make, you know, a white bottom. Come on, man. I as a sneakerhead, we want an all pink shoe. Give it to us. We'll buy it. But, you know, I can't complain. That's like probably the biggest flaw to me on the sneaker. And then if we look inside, I don't know if you guys can see, but if you look inside the air bubble right here, it's actually like a yellow, which gives that like that lemonade like flavor. That's why I say strawberry lemonade. Working our way around, which I thought was pretty cool in the Easter egg. They actually made one, let me see if we get it clear, one air writing, which is around the sneaker in yellow, which is fire, which is right here. That's the only yellow part on air. Everything else on it is white. For the white and pink for the writing that's saying air on the 3M reflective part. And then where the shoelace goes, you know, where you put your aglets at, it's actually yellow here, which is pretty fire. That's the attention to detail. Nike, I'm looking. I like what I see. I must say. And we work around, like I said, laces are yellow. Strawberry here for the strawberry lemonade with the Nike check, which is fire. You don't have your, you know, normal just Nike logo here for the Air Max 1s, which is fire. And then we work our way inside this shoe. When I can get an insole that is not just basic and boring, I love it. I love it. It turns me on.
Huh?
Yeah, it does. As weird as that sound, but don't take it over your head. Here's the inside. So yes, I wear a size 10 for everybody's nose. If you want to buy me a pair, let me know. But it has strawberries and lemons in the shoe, which is fire, which, you know, once again, we get that strawberry lemonade. So is the simple black. I'm not even going to show that. Well, actually, I will show it. Pretty boring. They definitely could have did something a little bit better on the bottom of the sole, but once again, it's still a great shoe in my opinion. I'm not a fan of the shape, but once again, can't complain. I wanted to see maybe put like a yellow sole at the bottom, like to match the laces. Fire. I don't know where they got black from. There's nothing black on the shoe except this little behind outline of the writing. Whatever. And also inside the sole, it's white. Have the white trim around, which, I can't complain about that, But if some people are dirty and don't wear socks, this will get dirty fast. So I personally think they should have kept this maybe yellow outlining. That would probably be fire, or maybe pink. I don't know. But white, okay, cool. It matches. I get it. Shoe itself is definitely, good material. I don't know when the fuck I'm going to wear these shits. I'm going to be honest with you. It's such a hard color and style to pull off, and I'm not that type of guy to wear a whole pink fit. That's just not me. And maybe you, but that ain't me. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Any suggestions? Let me know if strawberry lemonade, that's how you make it. I don't know. I just buy it. But hey, stay tuned, stay locked in.
It's a technique, baby. Ooh,